Welcome back to Bone Smoking Sizzle. Today we're gonna make a white bratwurst, but this one should not be mixed up with the German Weißwurst. To make this white bratwurst, what we need 600 grams of lean veal, which you can see in here on the left hand side. And we need 400 grams of pork belly, which you can see here on the right hand side. From the herbs and spices, we need 18 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2 grams of ground white pepper per kilo. We need 1 gram of ground nutmeg per kilo. We need 3 grams of freshly diced or finely chopped chives. We also need 3 grams of freshly chopped parsley per kilo. We need 2 grams of freshly grated lemon zest per kilo. From the liquid side, we need 15 grams of ice cold milk, and from the casing we use sheep casing, and you need 22 to 24 ml, but if you have 21 to 23 it's also fine. So that's it from the meat and from the herb sides and also from the liquid. So we use milk in this one here. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 3 ml blade. We need to mince the veal and the pork belly separately, so we keep those two separate. I've set up now the grinder with the 3 ml blade, and the first thing what I will do is I will grind the veal through this blade. So let's start off. So the veal is nearly done. So that's it. Now I will put this aside, and I will grind now the pork belly also through this blade. Let's do the pork belly. So, nearly there. That's done. So let's start getting that mix ready. So to make that white bratwurst, there's 2 mixing stages. The first thing is we use the veal here. So I only got the veal here, and what we do is we just put the salt onto the veal. Once we've done that, we give this a good mix and it becomes sticky. So we don't mix the pork belly in there yet. So literally just the salt and the veal. It takes a minute or 2 now. It's getting there, so it's becoming sticky, just slightly sticky. So literally it takes a couple of minutes maybe. So it also becomes a bit firmer. That's it. Now we add the pork belly on top of that. and we add all the herbs and spices to it. So we have left over the pepper, nutmeg, chives, parsley and lemon rind. Now we give it a good mix, and we don't add the milk yet. So we mix this again until it becomes sticky. It's getting there. You can smell the lemon rind and the parsley. So there's a really nice smell out of it. So she's sticky now. So you can see that. We add now the milk to it. So, and let's carry on until it becomes sticky again. So it's getting there. It is now very sticky and also a bit firmer. That's what we want. We want a good binding. Let's have a look what she looks like. You can see all the green spots are there, of course from the chives and parsley. Every so often you see a lemon piece as well. This one goes now in the filler, and let's start filling those sausages. Let's get this in. Push it down. Try to get the air out. Like I said many times before, you always will have a little bit of air in because it's not a vacuum filler. But we do our best by pushing it down. Okay, that's ready. Let's fill this one here. Let's get the casings out and put a bit of water through it. So we put 2 fingers in it. As you can see, you get them into it. Bit of water in there, just 2 or 3 scoops. And then pull it up and push the water out. They go on very easy. The casing's been soaking in there for about 30 minutes in cold water. I only use cold water for the casings, for natural casings anyway. Put a knot in there. Let's start filling them. And fill them semi-firm. That's it. Cut the end of it. Take those casings off because they will stick on it. They dry out very quickly. Let's start twisting those sausages. What we want to do is we want to twist those sausages about 16 or 18 centimeters long. So make a knot on the end on it. Get your size ready, squeeze and turn. Okay. If you want a bit longer or shorter, you can do that. So it's up to you. It's fairly easy to twist. Just take care so you don't break them. The last one is a bit shorter, so that's fine. That's done. Let's have a look at it, what they look like. As you can see, beautiful green spots in there and really nice color. They're very good length. and they're really tasty. As you can see, making the white bratwurst is fairly simple. It has the veal and the pork with the milk and the fresh parsley and the chive and the lemon. Gives a really nice taste in that sausage once you fry it. So you could grill that sausage or fry it in a pan. I hope you enjoyed this video about the white bratwurst. If you did, please like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel please, and share the video with others. Tell them. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun, make sausages. Till the next time, bye bye.